Hello, my name is Faisal and I'm here to represent the first assignment, practical group case study, group number 40. My group members are Muhammad Arif and Azizul Ghani. First, I'll discuss the question and the answer. So, first question was we have to tell the total sales revenue and gross margin for each product category, like apparel, grocery, household, hardware, and camping. So here we can see that household has the highest revenue among all product categories of 1123230. Apparel stands at the second point with a revenue of 901646. Groceries stand at third point with the revenue of 13,002 and camping at 10375. Next question we have to discuss is what is the total margin for each state. So here we have the table and here it is showing the gross margin for each state, and we can say that there are so many states involved in this analysis, and for each state gross margin is shown in the table, and we can deduce the states above have particular gross margin, and that margin is due to the products being sold. So in the above table we have just mentioned the gross margins for each state. Then moving on to question 3, we have asked that how much is the maximum discount and by which store. So by the graph we can say that the maximum discount is 107759 provided by the store Owens O8, and this is shown by the graph plotted, and also we can see that discounts from all stores were ranked from bottom to highest in a bar chart. This bar chart gives us the answer to the question by ranking the stores from highest to lowest discount giving stores. As a result, the store Owens O8 has shown the highest amount of discount. Now, the rest of the questions my team member will discuss, and I'll move on to the dashboard. So I'll discuss about the first dashboard, which we have mentioned in our assignment. So it is powered by dashboard. In this dashboard, we have six samples, and we have the sum of sales revenue, in which we have given different categories, and we have calculated their sales revenue. In the next, moving on the right, we have max of discount by stores, and then we have plotted a bar graph for that. On the third one, we have max of gross profit by category, where we have plotted household, apparel, camping, and grocery categories. And on y-axis, we have the values, which states the max of gross profit. So then we have another chart, max of original sales price by city. So here we have plotted the bar graph again, and then sum of gross profit by the year. So we have shown the sales or the profit by year 2017. Then at the bottom we have max of original sales price by product description. So we have mentioned different products, and then we have mentioned their original sale price. So we have shown here nails, bucket, boots and gloves, rain jacket, water and tarp, and their sales by price. And at last, we have a bar graph which shows the maximum of gross profit by category. So again, we have the bar graph which is plotted horizontally. And here we have four categories: household, apparel, camping, and grocery. Thank you. This was my part, and rest my team members will display.
Hi, my name is Azizul Ghani. So I'm gonna continue the part of the presentation. Moving on to the question number 4, it says which city has the maximum sale prices in 2017 and how much. So by if you look at the graph, it's clear that the Fort Collins is the city with the maximum number of sale prices in the year 2017, and the figure is like 2053. Next question is the city in question number 4, which product did they sell the highest sale price in 2017, and it's from the graph you can see that Fort Collins again is the city which is being discussed, and nails it's the product that we are discussing because this is the product that was sold at the highest sale prices in 2017. Then question number 6 is for the product in question number 4, which year it has the highest original sale prices. So from the graph it's clear that it was the year 2017, with the highest regional sale prices. The sale price is determined as per the requirements that is discussed above, and we can have a little discussion over it because it's the name of the year. Moving on to the question number 7 and the last question from my part. It says that which product category has the highest fixed price in 2016 and how much was it in total. So it's a pie chart, and from that you can easily see that these are the nails with a 2554. So nails is a product category basically that has the highest fixed price in 2016 with 2554 in words. And now moving on to the dashboard. So the first image, the first line graph shows the sum of gross profit by category and sum of gross profit. So basically we have the factors of household, apparel, grocery and camping. And in the second one, which is the sum of gross profit by store descending, it's a pie chart with all the uh, values. And then the third one is the sum of gross profit, which is a graph which shows like city on the city descending, between city descending and sum of gross profits. And the last one is also a pie chart with sum of discount percent and first category. So the total sum of gross profit was 123.20k.
Hi there, my name is Muhammad Arif. My registration number is ANS3032. So I will continue with question 8. Which month had the lowest gross margin and which year? So we have made this graph through business at intelligence platform in Microsoft Power BI. So in this graph we can clearly see on the left side we can see the max of gross profit as well as on the right side we can see the category. So the household is the highest one, whereas the grocery is the lowest one. And January is the month which had the lowest gross margin in the year. That was coming at the time of 2017. You can see 2017 was a year with the highest gross margin and the highest gross profit of all time. So the next question. In the year with the lowest gross profit, which product had the lowest profit? How much is that? Hardware is the lowest profit. Now I'll tell you the explanation. I'm sorry. So, among different categories of the product, the category with the lowest profit is hardware, as I already told you, and it has zero gross margin. And this category can be said to have least amount of gross margin, and the amount is zero because it has zero gross margin. And in the chart, I can show you the sum of discount percent and the first category. It's 0.12. So the hardware is the lowest profit because of the zero gross margin. And the last question from my side, the question number 10. In the year with the highest gross profit, which product had the highest profit and how much of that? So in this question, in this question we have to tell you the highest profit of the product. On the last question we told about the lowest profit. So the highest profit is the household with 400. As you can clearly see in the chart, the household got the highest margin. Okay. So the unlike the product hardware, the product household can be said to be one that has generated the maximum profit with an amount of 400, and the amount is already a big amount to discuss when concerned with a single product. So now I will explain the Power BI dashboard. So it is our Power BI, the third Power BI dashboard, which I have to explain. So this one is the sum of gross profit by category. And this table shows us about the sum of gross profit by category. This one is sum of discount by product description, sum of discount by category, sum of discount by city description, And this one tell us about the sum of sales revenue by product description. Like if we go through that, we can see. So we have created a dashboard. This one I have to explain. So we have created a dashboard with six entities. Like the first one is the sum of gross profit by category. In this, the household got the highest profit, and the other one, the bar chart form, it's the household apparel, grocery, and camping with a household with a maximum. And the third one is the sum of discount by product description. We can see the nails with the highest discount. This one is the sum of discount by category. Sum of discount is on the left side of the chart. This one is sum of discount by city description, sum of sales revenue by product description, sum of gross profit by store description, sum of price by category. So we will upload our video link. Thank you. That's all from our side.